Have you ever pondered about starting a career as a virtual assistant? This line of work, while challenging, is incredibly rewarding and flexible. Today, we're going to delve into the steps to become a successful virtual assistant. First off, understanding the role of a virtual assistant is paramount. A virtual assistant provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This career offers flexibility and the opportunity to work with a variety of businesses and individuals. Next, identify your skills. What are you good at? Maybe you're a whiz at organizing schedules, or you've got a knack for managing social media platforms. Knowing your strengths will help you determine what services to offer. Third, get the necessary training. While you can start as a virtual assistant with no formal education, it can be beneficial to take courses or attend workshops that teach you the necessary skills. These could be in areas like business management, customer service, or even specific software applications. Next, set up your business. Decide if you want to operate as a freelancer, or maybe start your own virtual assistant company. You'll need to consider things like setting up a business name, registering your business, and setting up a professional website. Fifth, market your services. This could be through social media, networking, or even word-of-mouth referrals. Remember, it's not just about getting clients, but about attracting the right clients for your skills and services. Sixth, always aim to deliver excellent service. This means meeting deadlines, communicating effectively, and always striving to exceed your clients' expectations. Finally, never stop learning. The world of virtual assistants is always evolving, so it's vital to keep up with the latest tools, trends, and best practices. To summarize, to start as a virtual assistant, you need to understand what the role entails, identify your skills, get the necessary training, set up your business, market your services, deliver excellent service, and never stop learning. Becoming a virtual assistant can be a fulfilling and lucrative career path. It requires dedication, a wide range of skills, and a willingness to keep learning. But with these steps, you can start your journey towards becoming a successful virtual assistant. Remember, every successful virtual assistant started somewhere, so why not start today? With the right attitude and the right approach, there's no limit to what you can achieve.